Alright guys, welcome to this PTE Masterclass. We spend countless hours videotaping, doing the tutorials, doing all the explanation, creating the perfect structure and the perfect system for you guys to master your PTE exam. So whether you want to make your future in Australia or New Zealand or another country or complete your studies, it is absolutely crucial that you take the most caution and pay the most attention to this exam. We've put a lot of detail into it and a lot of work. We're giving away all of our best tricks, all of our best strategies, and all of our best material. Whenever you do finally pass your exam, you need to send us a score report so we can share it as well with our community so we can celebrate on your behalf. So let's get started.